Welcome, guys. So this is basically the English breakdown of the interview I had with Dokka Suryaba, the CEO and founder of Suryaba Naturals. Yeah. So this is like the business case study. So I'm going to actually do a breakdown as to what we discussed about in the interview. So for those that do not understand a country, this is going to be really helpful for you guys. Yeah. I'm going to be really quick on this. Yeah. So maximum is going to be like 15 minutes. Yeah. I promise 15 minutes. So please watch till the end. Okay, so this is basically her business. What she does is she exports organic foods and organic products from Ghana to her clients or customers living abroad. So when you look on the screen here, you can see we have some earrings here. So all these are basically dried foods. Yeah, so some earrings, some fish. This is dried. Another fish, some shrimps. Yeah, some fish and some groundnut paste. She's got a lot of products. Yeah, so let's quickly go through her products. She's got powdered ginger, she's got cocoa butter, powdered pepper or chili. She's got momone. Yeah, I don't know the English name of momone, but she's got momone. Yeah, it's this sort of very salty fish. Yeah, that when you put inside food, it gives it this strong smell and this yummy and tasteful it's got this nice taste to it. Yeah, she's got shea butter. She's got I forgot the name. This is also like the momone, but this the smell is really strong. Is it kako? Guys, forgive me. Yeah, so she's got momone and maybe I think kako or something. Yeah. Again, she's got the mad fish. Yeah, the mad fish and earrings and kobe. Yeah, dry shrimps. She does coconut oil, palm oil. So these are some of her stock. Yeah, and this is yeah, so this is what she does, and she also does other products like this is basically we call it alata seminar, or it's called black soap. So when you go on Google and you type in black soap, yeah, this is black soap. It's made in Ghana. A lot of people in the diaspora and a lot of people living outside Ghana, they love it. Yeah, because it's known to cure a lot of skin diseases and makes your skin very smooth. Yeah, so she sells this too. Okay, so who is Dokka Suryaba? So this is basically Dokka's, a very young entrepreneur. She's very lovely. She's very opened. Yeah, and that explains why she's gone this far. So she started at the age of 23. Yeah, and she invested only 30 Ghana cedis, which is equivalent to $5 in today's current. Yeah, what she does is she sells 100% organic foods and products. 100% organic foods and products. So this is the interview I had with this young lady living in Ghana, in Kaswa, Ninyano Road, Ghana. Okay, so her business operation. So this is really the simplest of the simplest. Yeah, I've tried my best to just give you the simplest business operation ever. So basically, she said in the interview she produces 70% of her products. So when it comes like the groundnut, the groundnut paste, the palm oil and some other stuff. Yeah, she produces it herself, so she makes sure it's quality, and she thinks about the health of her customers. Yeah, and the other 30%, she's got trusted suppliers, so she's actually gone to the supplier and look at how their product quality, their health systems, to make sure that everything is in place. Yeah, so she gets 30% of her products from trusted suppliers, some in Accra, from the market in Accra, and some also from Tamale, especially the shea butter. Yeah, she's got links in Tamale, which is in Ghana. Yeah, and that's how she gets her products. So 70% she makes, 30% she gets from her trusted suppliers. When it comes to marketing, she basically focuses on social media and SEO. Yeah, so she does Facebook. When you go on Facebook, you type in Suryaba Naturals, you see her. She's very active on WhatsApp. Yeah, she's got a website, and she's done a bit of search engine optimization on her WhatsApp, on her website. Yeah, so when you go on Google and you type in organic products in Ghana, I'm very sure you find her. She's very active on Instagram and also on TikTok. Yeah, so she does a lot of her marketing on social media. And what she also said is because she's very customer centric. Yeah, so her customer service level is really high. So whenever she serves one customer, that same customer refers 10 to 20 new customers for her. Yeah, so that's how she also gets more customers. So hey, when you are dealing with business, you have to make sure your customer is happy. Even if your customer is not right, you have to make sure your customer is always happy, because end of the day, they are the one buying your products. End of the day, they are the one bringing the money to you. Yeah, people sell to people, and people buy from people. So if you have a great customer service, trust me, people will buy from you. And when it comes to exporting her products from Ghana to other countries, she uses Ghana Post and DHL. She uses Ghana Post and DHL. Any questions, just go to the comment section below and put your questions there. I'll forward it to her and she will answer your questions for you. Or if I can answer your questions to you, I'll make sure I answer your questions for you. So this is basically her business operations, yeah? Her business operation. Okay, so let's look at how. So these are some of the recent things she exported, her products she exported from Ghana to US, UK, yeah, in any part of the world. Yeah, so you can see that she uses Ghana Post a lot. So the system works, guys. If you want to export products from Ghana internationally, you can use Ghana Post. The system works. Okay, let's do a deep dive into Ghana Post and and DHL. So I asked her of the prices when she compares the prices of Ghana Post and DHL. She did say Ghana Post is a bit cheaper, but she also did say that when you create a business account with DHL, yeah, their rates are really competitive. So their rates are almost similar to Ghana Post. And she said that she ships most of her heavy stuff with Ghana Post, and when it comes to like the less heavy stuff like 1 kg, 2 kgs, 3 kgs, then she decides to go with DHL. I asked her if she had any any challenges or a case where a customer or client did not receive their product. She said since she started 3 years ago, she's never encountered that. She did mention that one of her clients, she sent a product to one of her clients in June, and the clients still haven't got the product yet, but the product is still in transit. Yeah, but apart from that, she's had no issues with Ghana Post. She's had no issues with DHL. Let's quickly do a deep dive in DHL and let's try and compare their prices. Yeah, so I'll quickly share my other screen. I'll go new window. Okay, so now let's go Ghana Post first. Ghana Post. So basically we click on the first link that appears. Okay, all right, so when you come on their website, quickly go to their you see you are our priority, so go to find rates. So this is basically us trying to find out how much it costs to actually ship, let's say 1 kg of product. So we go to the calculate parcel price, this one. Yeah, we click on it. Okay, so they've got like a calculator here that will help you out. Okay, so since we'll be shipping items, we basically go parcel, then we'll go not from in Ghana, we'll go foreign. Okay, then you have to select where you'll be going to post. Yeah, the closest Ghana Post to you. So for me, I'm going to say mile 7. Yeah, mile 7 is here. Okay, destination. So which country do you want to send this? Let's say Australia. I know most people are going to say like UK, Canada, or some European, US or some European country, but let's say Australia. Yeah. Now the weight of the product, let's just go 1 kg. Yeah. Insurance. Do you want insurance? So in case something happens to your product, yeah, you are insured. So I'm just going to say no for now. And the value, let's say the product is like 100 cedis. Yes, when you look here, down here, yeah, to send 1 kg of product to Australia, you'll be looking at 198 cities. 198 cities, which is fair, I think, which is fair. Okay, now let's say we are sending 10 kgs. You will be looking at 1,080 Ghana cities. 1,080 Ghana cities. So she also did say in the interview that the more products you send, the lesser you pay. So when we send 1 kg, we're paying 198, and when we send 10 kgs, we are paying. Let me increase the price here to 1,000. Let's see. Yeah. So the value of the product doesn't actually affect the price. Okay. So when you send 10 kgs, you'll be looking at 1,080 cities. Now, let's do a bit of calculation here. So 1,080 Ghana cities divided by 10. So meaning for when we're sending 10 kgs, we are actually paying 108 cities per kg as compared to 198. Yeah. So what she did say that the more the quantity or the kgs, the price becomes cheaper, which is true, which is really, really true. Okay, now let's say 20 kgs. We'll be looking at 2060. Now let's do the calculations again. So 2060 divided by 20. 103. Yeah, so the more your kg, the lesser you pay, which makes sense. So this is basically how to find out how much your product is going to cost to ship your product, to export your products from Ghana to US, UK, Canada, Australia, Europe, New Zealand, yeah, Japan, China, and the rest. Yeah. So I'm really happy she suggested that. Now let's go to DHL. So we go to DHL Ghana. Okay, let's click on the first link that comes. So one thing, make sure the country is Ghana. Yes, yeah? So when you look at where the mouse is, make sure the country is Ghana. Okay, now we go get a code. Yeah, we'll go. So they've got freight shipment too. So if you want to ship like via sea, they've got that option too. Yeah, so you can do the research yourself. For now, we're just going like on small parcels. Yeah, so I'll click on parcels and documents. I'll go get a code. Okay, so again, welcome to DHL. Yep, get started. Okay, we'll just go get a code again. All right, so we're shipping from Ghana. Yeah, you basically put your address here. Achimota, Accra. Yeah, so Ghana, from Ghana, and your closest, your address basically, and the destination country too. Since we did Australia, let's do Australia here too. Australia here. Now your address. So let's say normally with systems like this, they'll be able to find your client or your customer's address easily. Then you just click on it. Yeah. So just go residential flexibility. Yep. So from you put your address in Ghana to you put your customer's location. We go next. We go packages. Okay, so here basically they'll give you the dimensions, yeah, as to the package you send in. So when you click on here, you'll be able to enter your own dimensions, or you can select from their drop-down menu. So for now, let's just put our own. So I'll just go your own. 1 kgs, quantity is 1. The kg I'm going to put 1. The dimensions, since I don't really know, I'll just put 1, 1, 1. Okay, I'll go get a code. Wow. Yeah, so drop off is 448.85 Ghana cedis. End of day on the 14th. So if you send it, let's say today, they'll get it on the 14th, and today is the 6th. 6th of October. Yep, 513 end of day. Yeah, so basically, I think DHL is expensive, but what she did say is make sure you register an account with them, and you'll be able to get competitive rates as competitive rates from DHL to Ghana Post. Yeah, so make sure you create an account. Yeah, this is if we ship our documents today. Now let's go back and let's say what do you call it? Let's select their drop down. So we'll go with the highest. So basically, when we say if we're sending 25 kg products, yeah, let's look at how much. Yeah, so to send products via DHL to Australia, 25 kg, you'll be looking at around 5,173. So I think, yeah, their prices are expensive as compared to Ghana Post. But again, create an account and hopefully the prices here will be cheaper. Yeah, will be cheaper. Yeah, so this is basically her 2 shipping methods. Yeah, again, if you have any questions, comment below and I'll help you out. Let's continue. Okay, so her marketing. So she basically does her marketing on Facebook, Instagram, SEO, TikTok, and WhatsApp. Let's actually go and do a bit of stalking. Let's go stalk her, yeah? So I'll quickly go on Instagram. Let's go check her out. On Instagram. Okay, so we'll go okay, so this is her Instagram page. Yeah, as you can see, she's got a lot of videos with the product she sells. She's very smart, you know. So this is basically a video like a shea butter, yeah, for her, one of her clients. She's really smart when it comes. So she actually uploaded this on TikTok, as you can see here, and she re-uploaded the same video on Instagram. Yeah, so she's really smart when it comes to marketing, and you can see some of the parcel she's sending to her clients. So if you want to invest in this business, you can also do so, yeah, or give her a call so she can give you more details, or you can also give me a call. She does groundnut too, roasted ones. Wow, you see, shea butter. She's really smart. What do you call it? Black soap, alata semina, natural black soap powder. Yeah, and there's a huge markets for it out there. Yeah, I think all this is black soap. So she's really smart. We can also go on her website. Hopefully I got it right. Come on, did I get it right or not? Yep, I got it right. Yep. So as you can see, yeah, she's also got a website here. Clients can actually go and order, you see? Yeah, she sells agushi to cowtail, salted fish, sobolo, what do you call it? Hibiscus flower, sobolo. Yeah, she sells a lot of natural products. Yeah, so that's her website too. She's got basically her website. Yeah, so let's move on. This is her contact details. So in case you need any information in regards to if you want to get started, or even if you want to buy products from her, yeah, just contact her on WhatsApp. And her location is Kaswa, Inyano Highway or Inyano Road. Yeah, she'll be there to help you. Thanks so much for watching till now. I'll see you at the same time next week with another amazing tutorial. My name is Kwame Twumasi. Bye.